Okay guys, now this is the second tutorial. We're gonna use Metashape to make 3D models, and these are the pictures I've already downloaded from the LRTK website. And we're gonna use this Agisoft Metashape Professional. So I think for group one and group two, it's better that if you use the professional version of Edges of Metashape instead of standard if you want to make the SLPK, the scene layer package model. So scene layer package is an S-Res 3D format, it's a tiled model. So you can use SLPK if you want to use ArcGIS plugin in Unreal Engine, because we're gonna upload this SLPK to ArcGIS Online first, and then you get the URL, and then the model can be fetched from Unreal Engine. So I think it's for Team 2, if you don't care about the real coordinate for the interior, you don't have to use the professional one. You can just, maybe you can take pictures with your iPhone or something. If you're not using the LRTK and you don't care about the coordinates, you can use the standard one. You can use the standard Metashape on my computer, the high performance computer Y. So there is Metashape there, standard license. Even you can process the model on your computer yourself if you want to download the standard one, because I already have the license. The problem with the professional one is that we haven't had the license yet. We bought the license like 2 weeks ago and we still haven't gotten it yet. So, all right, be patient, and you can use Koki's computer if you want to use the professional one. Or you can download it yourself as well on your computer and use the 30-day free trial. All right, let's go for the tutorial. All right, so I will select all of my pictures here. All right, so I have 25 pictures. So this is just the example. I'm using only 25 pictures, and this one is captured by using the LRTK device. So it's gonna be real fast to process on this computer. Not only because it is 25, and also this computer is really fast. So yeah, this is just an example. You will process interior and buildings, which will take much longer than this one, but this is just a demo. So this is just like the basic overview and like the regular steps to make the 3D model from pictures. So yeah, let's start by dragging these pictures here. All right, okay. So this is only 25. Now also, hold on, I will hide this because I'm removing Cookie's computer. Yeah, okay, good. Now, so you will see that all of these dots here. So these are the pictures location where it was taken. And you have to make sure that the reference is correct here. Oh yeah, I'll go to this reference tab to look at the coordinates and latitude and everything. It's here. So yeah, it looks like this. So also before that, you have to confirm that the pictures that you just downloaded has the correct coordinate, because this company just fixed the coordinate of the pictures, like the coordinate embedded to these pictures. And before that, it was like wrong for the longitude. It was like -2 billion something. So beware of that. So you have to check. You have to check the pictures. I'm sorry. Let's see. Maybe check the Excel first. So everything in the Excel should be. Oh, sign in. Uh-oh. All right. So everything in the Excel should be like the accurate one. So if you look at this, all right, okay, so I cannot use this. I need to sign in, and this is cookies. Right, okay, it's okay. So you have to check that the longitude and latitude around campus, around Berkeley campus, should be like the latitude should start with 37 something, and the longitude always starts with negative 122 or something. So if you see that the longitude or latitude is not around these numbers, which is the coordinates embedded in this picture, so I think that is inaccurate, and you can let me know about that. Also, even though this Japanese company has fixed the coordinates in the pictures, I still see that this elevation here is still a little bit inaccurate. The 99 meters, so it turns out when I generated this model here by using this 99, 37, negative 122, so it's here, the 99. And it turns out the model, when I already put that in Unreal Engine, it is underneath the surface, like 3.3 something meters, like below the ground. So it's not visible like from the surface. So I added this a little bit. I added like around 3 meters for each of this coordinates here. But because this one I can actually just edit this myself by right clicking and then modify and choose whatever you want to edit. Let's say this is the altitude. It's altitude 99 something, right? I can edit this and then change it like to 102 something because I added 3 meters. But this one is only like 25 pictures, so only has 25 rows, and it's really easy for me to edit this one by one. But if you have thousands of pictures, because you're gonna be scanning exterior and interior, which there will be a lot of pictures you will be taking, I don't recommend you to edit one by one because it's gonna take forever. So I recommend you to check on this tool here, import reference. I, to be honest, never really used this before. So my recommendation is that maybe you need to make an axle like this, but fix the elevation because you can do everything pretty quickly in the Excel. Just use a formula and then add each row with 3 meters or something, and then use this import and then import the Excel here. So I think I suspect that if you want to make an like the spreadsheet to import to the software, maybe you have to make an Excel spreadsheet that has similar order of columns like this. So like column A starts with cameras, and then B longitude, C latitude, D altitude, and so on here. So that's just, I don't know, maybe just try it. I don't know. I've never really used it. But don't edit this. Don't edit the altitude or latitude or something before putting your model to Unreal Engine. So you will know that the model is inaccurate, or it's like maybe below the surface, or maybe it's like floating in the air. Once you are done with all of this process, you got a 3D model, and then you go to ArcGIS Online, and then you put that model in Unreal Engine. So you will know everything is a little bit off or something is not right when you are in the Unreal Engine stage. It's okay. If that happens, you can go back to Metashape. You don't have to regenerate the 3D models. Just use this the 3D model and then change the coordinate here. So import new Excel spreadsheet, and then you will have a new coordinate, and then the 3D model will get adjusted automatically according to your new coordinates. So it's working. Sorry for the long explanation. All right, yeah, you know that the Excel spreadsheet here, so it's in Japanese, so try to translate it yourself unless you can read Japanese. So right click on this model. So this is to check the coordinates embedded in the picture. So go to properties and then go to details here and check. All right, now this is good. Now this is good. So because this one is similar to the coordinates displayed on the Excel spreadsheet, so it's okay. So it's good. So yeah, you can start with this, and then yeah, and then start with the mini shape here. All right, so I think I'm gonna stop here. And I'll create a new video because it's been a little bit too long. So I'll stop here and then I'll go to I will make a new video for the Metashape tutorial only. So I don't want to make you guys confused. So I'll stop here.